Good morning students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English literature lesson 1 poem. Topic name is God Save the Beetle and this is its part first. Dear students, this poem has been written by a great poet Ruskin Bond. In this poem, poet has tried to request the God to save the beetle by giving some sense of direction to it. I hope you have opened your book before you to go through the words and lesson and sentences of the poem to understand it well, and I tried to give you some difficult words meaning along with it. So be careful to understand this poem. Lord means God. Poet tells here to God, please give some sense of direction to this beetle. Sense means knowledge, and directions you know very well. There are 4: east, west, south, north, and as the beetle has no sense of any direction, who keeps blundering through the open window. What blunder means? Here blunder means great mistake. What is the mistake of the beetle? It does not know in which direction he is going, whether the direction is good for him or not, whether he is going to die or save himself. Beetle does not know it. That's why through the open window it comes and falls into the goldfish ball. Goldfish fish lives in water, and in a ball there is water and goldfish also, and in this ball, in this pot, the beetle comes through the window and falls down. So looking this, the poet becomes emotional and started requesting to God to give some sense about the directions to the beetle. Poet tells to God here, twice I have kept him from drowning and returned him to the garden. Poet tells here to God that 2 times, twice means 2 times, I have kept him from drowning. Means 2 times poet has saved the beetle from drowning and made him return to the garden. But he keeps coming back. Means after making him return from drowning, sending him to the garden 2 times also, the beetle does not know what he should do. He again comes back, zooming and diving about the room until plop. Again the beetle has come in the room and started diving and zooming. Zooming, write down here. Zooming means moving with great speed. Zooming means moving with great speed. Means in the room beetle has come and beetle is moving with great speed and diving about the room until plop. Plop means, write down here, plop means sink in the water. Sink in the water. He is in the goldfish bowl again. Again after saving 2 times also, he is not able to save himself. Again, beetle has come in the goldfish bowl, swimming round and round and looking very tired as the beetle has come in the bowl. Now there is no option to him from swimming round and round in that very bowl, and because of swimming for a long time in the round directions in the ball space only, now it is looking very tired. Beetle has become quite tired because of swimming too much in that ball. So in 5 minutes time I must go to bed, and if you don't get this beetle to look after him, who will? Now in the last para of the poem, poet tells here that he has no time for the beetle now. God is responsible for his life, because God has given life to this beetle, and poet tells about himself that he will go to bed within 5 minutes, and if God will not take care, God will not look after the beetle, then there is a question, who will? Means no one. Who will represents here a sense of no one. Poet tells here that you have given life to the beetle, that's why it is your responsibility also to look after the beetle, and he has no time, he is going to bed within 5 minutes. And not only that, besides means in spite of, write down, besides means in spite of, means in spite of this, it makes the goldfish nervous. Now as beetle has come in the goldfish ball, so beetle has become nervous. Goldfish has become nervous. Nervous means here, write down, nervous means worried. Now as the beetle has come in goldfish ball, that's why goldfish has become nervous what he should do now. So after looking this nonsense situation of the beetle, poet Ruskin Bond requests the God to give him some sense of direction, so that the beetle would keep himself safe from drowning in the goldfish ball. So there is very pathetic scene, a sense of kindness for the beetle, and there is a great request to God to save him who has given him life. My dear students, in this way your poem has been completed. I hope you will have understood it, and you will remember the meaning of difficult meaning that I have given to you. And once again I would like to inspire you to read it yourself in a proper way, find out the difficult words if any after this, and if you are in any confusion, you may ask today. Keep it till here as your time is going to be over. Thank you.